Let me tell you about my mother. I love my family, but my mother holds a special place in my heart. She always smiles and makes our home warm and happy. Every morning, she wakes up early to cook breakfast for the family. She prepares everything with care and love. After that, she goes to the market to buy fresh food. She always chooses the best ingredients for our meals. My mother likes traditional music. When I was small, I listened to it with her. Now, we still enjoy music together. It makes us feel peaceful. When I was a child, my mother helped me study. She taught me how to read and write. She also taught me to be a kind and honest person. When I feel sad or tired, she is always there for me. She listens to me and gives me good advice. She is not only my mother, she is also my best friend. I want to say thank you to my mother from the bottom of my heart. But I am a little shy, so I don't say it often. Instead, I give her flowers or cook something she likes to show my love. I feel lucky to have her in my life. I hope I can make her happy, just like she makes me happy every day. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson and happy learning.